This is one of the best drinks I ever had in my life. I am so serious. This is the best drink I ever had in my life. Smells like pure strawberry sunshine, baby. You have to make this drink. In this simple video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious strawberry orange juice right from the garden. Come on, let's go. Are you tired of drinking sugary juices that are unhealthy as hell for you? Well, thankfully you came to the right place, so you are in luck, my friends. Because I have a special treat for you today. One of the best fruit juices I have ever had, period. I have been making fresh juices almost every day now for the past 8 years. So believe me when I tell you that making simple fresh juices often will enhance your life beyond what you thought was possible. Keep watching until the end of this video because later on I will reveal a bonus herbal ingredient that you can add to your strawberry mix that will take this drink to an advanced level. But for now, let's keep it simple. This juice is not only simple and easy to make, it will also give you the real energy and vitamins that your body craves for to operate at its optimal level. Nature creates the best minerals and vitamins for all living life to run at their most efficient. This is because nature is already structured at the most efficient it can possibly be. Okay, let's get started. Now that we have our fresh oranges and our fresh strawberries, we'll start by slicing the oranges first. Now that we have all the oranges sliced in half, we're going to use an automatic juicer to juice them all. If you don't have an automatic one, no worries, you can always use a manual glass juicer. This is your most common size mason jar, which is 1 quart. Today I'm making 2 quarts in this example, which is half of a gallon. Now we dice up the strawberries into thin slices. What I like to do is just pull off the tops and just pinch them off. These strawberries are beautiful and they smell so fragrant. Absolutely amazing. I wish you could smell this right now. My entire kitchen smells like strawberries and oranges. Because these oranges are quite strong, I either like to dilute my orange juice in either high quality water or fresh coconut water. So depending on you and what you have access to, you can either fill the rest up with water or coconut water if you have access to that. And if not, you can always fill it up with pure orange juice if that's your preference. I prefer diluting the orange juice because it's so concentrated. I'm gonna husk a few coconuts real quick and crack open the shells and add the fresh coconut water to the strawberry and orange juice. If you want to learn how to husk coconuts, check out my other video. Check out my link that I'll leave up here or in the description box. Check these out, guys. I won the jackpot. Okay, we're back in the kitchen. Now I'm gonna crack these coconuts open to get the water out and fill this up. Of course, you could just fill this up with water and be done. But I'm gonna use coconut water. By adding coconut water, it's gonna take the taste of this already through the roof. If you want me to make a video explaining how I open hard-shelled coconuts like this using a machete, then leave a comment down below. And I will teach my technique and my 1-2 method to open hard-shelled coconuts like this with ease. Right between the eyes. We run our coconut water through a strainer. And finally, now we add our fresh coconut water to the strawberry orange mix. And lastly, we stir. So, what do you think? Would you drink this juice? Leave a comment down below and let me know. What you can do after, once you make your strawberry orange juice, is that if you want maximum strawberry flavor in there, then soak it for 24 hours and you will have the maximum strawberry flavor. If you enjoy the fresh juices and the simple foods that I create on this channel, then smash that like button and hit subscribe. The herb that you can add to your strawberry orange juice if you prefer. This is Thai basil. And for those of you who love the flavor of basil, you can take a small handful of leaves and soak it in the strawberry orange juice. If not, you can keep it as simple as possible. Watch this video right here, where I take you step by step on how to make one of the best and tastiest plant-based milks on this planet, fresh coconut milk. This drink was sent from the heavens above. Thank you. We just keep raising the bar, baby. Cheers.